Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to talk about other data type. So these two are basically we're actually going to talk about two data types, but these two are basically the same. They work very similarly. So let's first talk about the char data type. So the char data type, as the name suggests, it stores a char, okay? So a character. Let's print this data type on the screen so you guys can see here. Let me execute. So we should see the output here. So you guys can see A. So to better understand how this works, you guys need to think of a. We'll still talk about strings in the future, but a char is basically a character, not anymore, nothing more actually. So let's print this char, okay? So in binary, chars and bytes are very similar. So you could have a char and you could also have a byte. Let's create a byte here. Let's say 97. And as you guys may not notice, but these two are the same. So let's execute. We don't see anything here, but if we type system.out, let me see here, .println by, and if you execute, we see 9 and 97. But if I convert this byte to a char using casting, choose casting, you guys just need to put the data type in front of another object. So let's put char here. So this byte will be converted into a char, and you guys can see AA. I could also convert this char to a byte by putting byte here. So if you set B capital, we see 66. Okay, I could also convert it to a integer, but we usually convert these two into each other. So we basically convert bytes to chars and chars to bytes, okay? So we talk about more about this when you're talking about text encoding, okay? So this was the video, guys. Hope you enjoy. See you guys next time.